ask Taylor Swift. Her bony ass. That's who done it.
Look at that boy in all the poor ass.
She got on my nerves, man. Look like she smell like bologna up here.
Oh, he sound like he want to go whoop that up. That was that man want to go, oh, man. Damn, she better watch out, girl. You done fucked up. Girl, you got baby. You don't even know it, girl. You better watch out, Taylor. Shit, I'm tired of your ass.
So you still fuck with Mike 762 Mike?
Yeah, all of them. You know they be on the other channel too. They just if they pop up on this one, see they'll pop out. You already know all of them be popping out, man. We be acting a fool. Yeah, oh yeah.
I ain't seen nobody. Man. I'm
Big
glad
O.
I'm back. I mean, I literally just turned this phone on and you was live. That was right on
Yeah,
time.
Big O. They all be popping out. All of popcorn, all of them, man. So yeah, we still be rocking and jocking. Oh yeah, so yeah, man.
You see that 19? You see that 1911 I just bought?
Bro, I said, damn. Yeah, don't show it, because you know they're gonna block me.
No, I ain't gonna show nothing.
Okay, but yeah, man, that one on point, bro. I said, damn, how much did you spend for that one? Cause I already. You talking about the T-Son?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. You know, man, I'll be, man. You know, I gotta keep up on my brother. That's why I'm like, damn, my bro got on 1911. I already had T-Son on point. Say, you saw the kid my boy got. You seen mine though, did you? Did you see my man? You ain't see my Revolver Gang collection now?
No.
Bro, I got the 357 peanut butter. Then I got the 605. I got the 605. Then I got the Judge. Oh yeah, I got the big dog. I got my Revolver Gang up, bro. I got man. You been missing out, bro. Man, I got the Revolver Gang. Bro, I got the 357 with the 38 special. That's that 2-piece of that one. Then the Judge, you know, that 410 and 45 long coat, so that's another 2-piece. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, hey, 2 gun shot. Hey, yo, bro, I told y'all gonna get my Revolver Gang up. I told you.
I ain't even shot that. You know, I got the Revolver Gang going, but I ain't even.
Man, I like that 44.
Oh yeah, I ain't even know it's a 45.
45. Ooh, I said, damn.
I ain't even shot that 1911 yet.
That man nice. That T-Son bad boy nice. Oh yeah, man. You already seen my 1911 though. You already know the Rock Island 30 barrel.
It's a Rock Armory one, right?
Yeah, the 30 barrel.
I want to see that. I ain't seen your revolvers though.
Man, bro, you got a man. You been hey, man. Come on now, man. Say, man, I got the colors off the chain, bro. Say, I got the. Say, you already know. Say, you gotta check it out, bro. No cap, bro. Go check it out, bro. On the Cook on Little. It'll probably be the 3rd or 4th video on the Cook on Little channel, bro. I've been dropping that sucker like crazy, bro. Oh man, that sucker, man. They were like, yeah, bro, you did.
See, I know. I just noticed that I didn't have notifications on for your channel. I just turned the notifications on. That's why I don't see shit.
It's finna go crazy now. Say, bro, yo, man, say, check it out, bro. No cap, bro. My shit be acting on. Boom. I've been dropping like crazy, so yo. I'm gonna get this one back popping. No cap on my bro, yo. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, bro. No cap. Range day. You already know, man. I've been working like crazy day, bro. Yeah, he been in detail. No cap, bro. We can let bitches loose.
I'm about to subscribe to Straight Jacket 5150 right quick. I'll be right back.
Yeah, man. No cap, man. Show love to everybody, man. I told y'all this is the best way to collab, man. Say, easy way to get subscribers, y'all. Y'all pop out and represent, man. Say, it's going down. I told y'all we ain't playing no games, y'all. Say, I already represent y'all. We ain't playing no games, y'all. I told y'all, man. Say, man, my boy Black Mud came in the house, y'all. No cap, man. Pop out, rock out. I told y'all, man. We the best channel, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's going down, baby. Told y'all, man. Say, y'all. Pop out, man. What time? I gotta watch out. Having a good time. So I gotta go to work. You know what I'm talking about already, man. Nothing love on this channel. All my channel. Y'all already JT, what's up with it, my bro? JT, my bad, man. I always give people names fucked up and shit. What's up with my bro? Welcome to the live. Welcome to the live, bro. You already know I told you I'm getting my channels popping. You better subscribe to all of them because y'all never know which one I'm gonna pop out on already. What's up with it, my bro? What's up with it? Gang. You already know how we rocking, bro. We rocking like stockings, bro. You already know. Just pop out, give me the channel.